Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Diana. I just thought I should make an intro video so you guys can get to know me a little bit. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about me. I'm 23 years old. I am Haitian American. I do speak Creole. I don't know how to read in Creole though. So if anybody writes to me in Creole, I'll have to get my mom to translate. I don't know how to read in Creole. I was born in Florida. I have two sisters. One's name is Janny and one's name is Westney. My sister also has a channel if you guys want to check it out. It's called Life with W and J. It's all one word. It's not, there's no spaces in between. I have no kids. I have one niece. She just graduated from high school. I'm so proud of her. She's going into the military. I'm really sad that she is because, like, I mean, we don't live together, but we used to live together. So it's like I'm so used to her being around. So now, like, when I go to my sister's house, she's not going to be there. But I wish her all the best in the Navy. Right now, I am currently not in school. I will be starting school soon in the fall. What is the show called? CSI. I used to watch all of them. The regular one, the Miami, and I think there was a New York. They were all good. So, and low-key, when any of like my friends or family members need me to like investigate one of their boo things, they always come to me because I be getting some information for them. So if you need me to investigate, I got you. So yeah. What can you guys expect from my channel? I plan on doing videos about me, my life. So it'll be vlogs with me and my family, vlogs with me by myself. If I'm going out, I'll vlog that. If I'm going on vacation, I'll vlog that. I'll probably do some get ready with me. I might do some mukbangs here and there. And I'm thinking about it. I'm not too sure. I want to do some pranks on my family members, but it's kind of hard to do that because you want it to look natural as possible and not like staged. So most people, they know like their mom and their family members, they walk around the house because they're home. They walk around the house like however. So I already told my mom, I was like, you gotta walk around the house a little bit nice because you never know, one day I might be pranking you and I don't want you on camera looking crazy. So yeah. If you guys have any suggestions on what videos you think I should try, you can leave that down below. And yeah, bye guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello everybody. It's your girl, Diana.